yogis. Today we're going to do a shorter practice, but we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to make a lot of noise because we're going to do lots with storms. We're going to create a storm with our yoga moves. Sound good to you? Sounds great to me. So first we're going to play our game with how are we getting to yoga class, and we're going to do 3 new ways to get to yoga today, and we're going to move a little bit back and forth on our mat. So we're going to start all the way back up on our mats, and we're going to have a seat first because we want to just take a minute to find our breath and warm up a little bit. Okay, great. Okay, remember, crisscross applesauce or half lotus, your choice. I'm going to do half lotus today. All right. So, we're going to close our eyes, sit up nice and tall, take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. That feels good. Inhale through the nose, breathe in and out through the mouth. Last time, inhale and exhale. Now, we're going to take our fingers, opening our eyes, and walk our fingers out in front of us. Oh, reach, 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 but our bottoms stay on the ground. So if you can't reach very far, but you keep your bottom on the ground, that's the way you want to do it. And then walk your hands back to your body and sit up nice and tall. Oh, good. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands to the mat. Walk them out. Oh, feel that stretch. It feels so good. Now walk your hands still bent over to one side of your mat. Take a big breath in through the nose and out through the nose. Now walk your hands over to the other side of your mat and take a breath in through the nose and out through the nose. Now walk your hands back to the middle and then back to your body. Very good. Now, if you're in lotus, let's switch legs. So take that leg that was on top and put it on the ground and bring the other one on top this time. Very good. Inhale, reach up. Hands on your mat. Walk them out. Oh yeah, we gotta get those stretches in. Walk them over to one side. You're doing great. Walk them over to the other side. Walk them back to the middle. And walk them back to your body. Very good. This is a good warm-up. I feel better already. Shrug those shoulders. Take them in circles. Reach your arms out nice and wide. And then make little circles. Good. Now can you take them the other way? Take them the other way. Good. Now, take one arm and cross it over your body and take the other arm and lock it in. Good. Breathe in through your nose and let it go. One more time. In through the nose and let it go. Reach out. Take that other arm across your body and lock it in. Good. In through the nose and let it go. In through the nose and let it go. Good. Release your arms. Take those little shoulder shrugs up to your ears and back. Very good. Now let's get to yoga class. How are we getting to yoga class today? Well, let's start at the backs of your mat. So feet all the way at the back. And this time we're going to march. So bring your hands out in front of you like a zombie. And then bend at your elbows so your fingertips are up to the sky. Okay? And then we're going to bring one knee up and try to touch that elbow. And then step it down. Other knee up, touch the elbow, and step it down. So we're marching. Knee, down, knee, down, knee, down, knee, down. Very good. I'll wait for you to get to the top of your mat. Come on up. March, march, march. Good. All right, now we got to go backwards. Maybe it feels a little trickier because it challenges your balance. That's good. That makes us stronger. Okay. Knee to your elbow. Step backwards. Knee to your elbow. Step backwards. Keep going. And backwards. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. When you're to the back, we'll stop there. Release your arms down and shake them out. Shake them out. Make yourself wiggly wobbly, wiggly wobbly. Very good. Okay, this time we are going to do dancer. We're going to dance together because I love to dance. So the way we do dancer is we stand on our mat. Let's come to the middle of our mat. Okay, so dancer pose is we stand nice and tall and we bend one knee. So we stand on one leg like a flamingo. Then we reach back and can you grab that foot that is bent and squeeze it in towards your bottom. Very good. Now can you reach your other arm forward? This is dancer. You're doing it. Good job. All right, now we can make it a little harder. So maybe it makes you more wobbly. And you push that foot into your hand back behind you. And that makes your leg rise up. If you want, you can lean over and balance. Very good. So let me show you what this looks like on the side. So I'm going to balance on one leg and I'm going to bend one knee so that foot is back behind me. Then I'm going to grab that foot. Yep, good job. Reach that arm out in front. Then I'm going to push that foot in my hand and that brings my foot up, my leg up. And then if I want, I can find a place on my floor to focus on. So I kind of stare at one spot and I can bend at the hips. It's tricky, I know. And the whole time you're pushing that foot into your leg. Foot into your hand, I should say. And then come back up and release and make yourself wobbly, wiggly, 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 wobbly, wobbly, wobbly. Take some twists. Very good. If we do it on one leg, we have to do it on the other leg. So, this leg this time is going to stand nice and tall and long. And bend the other knee. Remember that foot's coming up by your bottom. Can you grab that foot? Good. Bring that other arm out. Very nice. Now begin to find that place on your floor that you're going to look at. You're going to look at it the whole time. And then press your foot into your hand. Very good. Look at you. You're doing dancer. So many amazing dancers out there. And then if you want, you can tilt your body over. Oh, come on. Shake it out. Good job. We're going to do that one again on the other side. So I'm going to turn so you can see me. So that same leg is nice and straight. And that second leg bends at the knee. Can you grab your foot? Very good. This is a great dancer. This is really, really challenging. And challenges are good. This is something we can practice every day. Then if you want, you can reach your hand out. Push that foot into your hand. Find that place to look at to help you balance. And if you want, you can bend. Good. Rise up and wiggle it out. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Very good. Okay, the last way we're going to get to yoga class today is we're going to tiptoe. We're going to tiptoe real quiet because there's a dragon sleeping outside of yoga class. I don't know how we got there. I don't want to wake him up. So let's your knees. Come up onto those toes. And our hands are out front just like this. And we're going to tiptoe all the way up to the front of your mat. Balancing on those toes. Shh. Don't wave that dragon. Don't wave that dragon. Don't wave. Good job. High fives, everybody. Good job. Now we have to tiptoe back. Super quiet. Tiptoe. 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 You got it. Almost there. Shh. Okay, all the way to the back. You did it. Good job. We didn't even wake that dragon. Oh, I'm so relieved. My goodness. Okay, now the moment we've been waiting for. We have had snow in January. We've had sunny days in January. We've had gray days in January. We've had ice and wind. And now we're going to have a storm, a great big thunderstorm. Okay, so standing anywhere you want on your mat, we're going to start with a beautiful sunny day. Rise up, beautiful sunny day. Sun over here, sun over there, sun up high in the sky. Things are getting a little darker though. There are clouds everywhere. There are clouds over here. There are clouds over there. Follow along, do it with me. There are clouds over here. Way up high. And there's wind. There's wind moving from side to side. Can you hear it? Shh. There's wind blowing the leaves on the ground. Shh. And now it's starting to sprinkle. So we just see those little raindrops falling all the way. Bend at your hips, all the way down to the ground. Reach for your toes. Let those raindrops trickle onto the ground. Can you scratch your mat and hear the rain falling? And then rise up. Let's do that again. Grab those raindrops and watch them fall real slow. Reach out, bend at your hips. See those raindrops fall all the way down to your toes and scratch your mat. Hear those raindrops. Just like little raindrops right now. Good. Rise back up. Very nice. Now, I hear rain hitting the windows. Can you hear them? Can you rub your hands together? Do you hear the rain? Sounds like windshield wipers going, right? Yeah. Can you feel the rain? Can you drum it on your face? All the way down your face? All the way on your chest? Can you hear those raindrops fall? Can you take them over to your arms? Good. All the way down to your wrists and your hands. Can you tap them together and hear those little raindrops? Good. Can you do it on your belly? But with your hands together. So your hands are like, fingers are stuck together. And just gentle little pats. Can you hear that rain? Can you come down to your hips to get a little louder when you tap on your hip bones? Yeah. Can you come to your thighs and pat it a little harder so this time you're hitting Not hard, but a little more firmly with the palm of your hand. Yeah, it's raining harder now, right? Can you come out to the sides of your hips? All the way down those legs. All the way down the backs. All the way up the fronts. Let's do it again. All the way down the back. All the way to the front. Now, can you do it a little harder? Can you make it a little louder? You don't want to hurt yourself, but can you make it louder? A little lighter. Keep it going. One more time, all the way down. Slower. On your belly. Bring your hands closer together. Take those little tippy tappies on your arms. All the way up to your shoulders. All the way on your chest. All the way onto your face. All the way on your forehead. All the way to the top of your head. Reach up. Wind to the side. Wind to the other side. Reach up. Little light raindrops. Bend at the hips all the way down to the floor. Scratch on that mat. Hear those raindrops. Let your head be heavy. Rise up. A little gentle breeze. Swaying the tree. Now stand up tall. We're going to come into tree. Bring your knee to your chest. Can you grab that ankle and put it on the inside of your standing leg? And your knee is out to the side. This is your tree pose. Your tree stands tall after that thunderstorm. Very good. Can it sway a little bit in the breeze? How about your other tree? Can you bring your knee up on the other side? Put that foot on the inside of your leg. Stand up nice and tall. So you're pushing that foot into your leg, but that standing leg is nice and strong. Grow your leaves and branches. Can you sway in the breeze? Very good. Come back up. Nice and tall. And the sun comes back out and fills the sky with light. Very good job. That was a pretty magnificent thunderstorm. So the next time we do that, think about how we can add more sounds. Can we add lightning? Can we add thunder? More than just rain, sunshine, and wind? Think about how we can do that next time. And you're always free to add more sounds and more movement when we do thunderstorms. Okay. Good job, guys. We're going to just stop standing today. So let's stand with our feet apart, our hands down by our sides. Close your eyes, breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. One more time. This time we're going to raise our hands up to the sky. Make them touch and bring those hands down to your heart. Good. Bow your chin to your chest. The light in me honors the light in each and every one of you. Namaste. Just bow down and rise up. Good job. I can't wait to see you next time. Have a great day.